This video will explain how to transfer from a bed to a wheelchair. Here are some important things to keep in mind prior to doing a transfer. Always remember to keep yourself safe during transfers. Do not lift at the expense of your own back. This transfer often requires the individual's assistance, so be sure to communicate clearly throughout the transfer. If the individual cannot direct their own care or express their needs, you'll need 2 people or a full body sling lift. To add strength to the transfer, brace your knees against theirs to keep their legs from buckling. Also, transfer toward the individual's stronger side if possible. Start by positioning and locking the wheelchair near the bed. Remove the armrest nearest to the bed and swing open both wheelchair leg rests. Help the individual move into a seated position by putting an arm under their neck while your hand supports their shoulder blade. Place your other hand under their knees. Then, swing the individual's legs over the edge of the bed. If the individual can sit unassisted, now is a good time to put on their skid-proof socks or shoes. Next, we will move to a standing position. From the seated position, put your arms around the individual's chest and clasp your hands behind their back. Or you may also want to use a transfer belt to provide a firm handhold. Support the leg farthest from the wheelchair between your legs. Lean back, shift your weight, and lift. Once standing, have the individual pivot toward the chair as you continue to clasp your hands around their back. If you have a helper, they can support the wheelchair or individual from behind. As the individual bends towards you, bend your knees and lower them into the back of the wheelchair. A helper may position the individual's buttocks and support the wheelchair. Finally, reposition the footrests and the individual's feet. Reattach the armrest on the wheelchair. Please visit our sites to learn more about caregiving resources.